See? All day long, helicopters are flying back and forth. That is the whirring sound. There are the waves. Because we're close to shore, waves don't crash like that, make white water. Unless it's close to shore. There's the Statue of Liberty. There's Ellis Island. The clock. The pylons, which are also in the image. And the eagle. This is geometrically the correct location right here. And we still hear the whirring sound. Cars abound are that way. Because sometimes you hear horns. And maintenance workers drive right by here. There's a car parked right over there. Police officers. This is definitely the location. But that's another sound.